Hey, what's up with it, y'all? It's Swirl Swirl's Waver on YouTube. And I know I haven't made a video since All-Star Weekend, which has been maybe about 2 weeks. And there's a reason for it, so I decided to make a video for y'all to let y'all know what's cracking. But maybe like a week and a half ago. Well, first let me back up. How should I start this? Many of you may or may not know, I cut my own hair. And I've been doing that for maybe going on like 10 years almost. And I'm pretty good at it. Like, I'm better than most people barbers, so I'm pretty good at it. And I get tips and whatnot because my brother, he's a professional barber, so he put me up on game. But anyway, I decided to cut my hair like a week and a half ago because I was woofing pretty long. So I was like, this gotta go. My woof wasn't laying down, and I was going to work looking rough as hell. So I had this bright idea to cut my hair before I went to work. And let me tell you, if you ever have a gut feeling about not doing something, then listen to your gut, because more than likely it's telling you the right thing. And I should have listened. So what happened is that y'all forgive me because I'm driving and I got people out here who can't drive. Yeah, I know I shouldn't be recording while I'm driving. Shut up and just listen. But anyway, I decided to cut my hair to cut this woof off. And the cut was going good. Now, mind you, when I got home from the gym, it was maybe almost about 7 o'clock. I gotta have the kids out and stuff ready by 8:15. So I only got like a short amount of time to do all that and shower and get dressed and get everybody out. I don't know what the hell I was thinking at all deciding to do this, because I normally cut my hair on the weekends because I got all day to do it. To get to take my time. But this genius decided to go ahead and cut his hair. So like I said, the cut was going good. And right when I took the guard off of my clippers to like go over my head to get the standing hairs up, man, look, I don't know what I did, but I must have moved the wrong way and I cut a plug in my head. I cut a damn plug in my head, yo. I was heated. And it's like, it's not a plug like at the top or in the back. It's a plug like right above my ear over here. So that shit, it threw everything off, man. Everything. And it went bad. It got all bad from that because I couldn't fix that. So I was like, I ain't finna do no videos with no plug over my ear, because that shit just looks stupid, man. And I ain't finna have folks clowning me, even though I don't care about that, because I'll roast your ass back without even seeing you. But that's besides the point. I was mad at myself because I know I shouldn't have did that, and I should have just waited for the weekend. I think it was like Thursday that I cut my hair. It was a Thursday. I could have waited 2 more days, man, but I don't know what I was thinking. Decided to give it a go, and it was a no-go. So let that be a lesson learned to y'all. If you got a gut feeling about not doing something, listen to that gut and don't even do it, man. But anyway, it's been like I said, that was over a week and a half ago. My hair grows pretty fast, so the hair is starting to come back, and I'm gonna do an update on the forks I was fixing at the top of my head. Those are coming along pretty good. Even though I haven't been brushing on a regular, I still been brushing sometimes and keeping my rag on. And that's just because I don't have time. I got a busy life. YouTube ain't my life. I upload when I can. Ain't like I'm getting paid for this shit. So I just shoot y'all videos when I can. When I start making some bread off of this, then I'll make this a priority. Right now, it's just a hobby. I got a real job, making real bread, so I'm gonna put my focus and attention on that. And if this YouTube thing ever pop off for me, then y'all will get the majority of my attention. So I don't want y'all expecting like 2 to 3 videos a week, because at this point, that is not happening right now. I don't do product reviews or nothing like that because they ain't giving me no money to do nothing like that. I ain't reviewing nobody else's product because they ain't giving me no money. I'm all about making that cash, yo. I don't want nobody sending me products to review and think the product that you giving me is a payment, because I'm too old for that shit, man. I need money. My kids can't eat off of hair products that I'm reviewing and stuff like that. So, and the same thing go for brushes. They can't eat a brush. I can't buy them clothes with a brush. So I start getting paid from that stuff, then I'll do it. If not, won't do it. Y'all just be seeing my wave videos just featuring what I do, and I'm fine with that. All right, so I just wanted to give you all an update. Yeah, your boy jacked his head up, and that's pretty much it, man. Oh, and another thing too, y'all see, I went gray. I've been gray since I hit like 33 or whatnot. Little gray start popping in. I never colored my beard, but my hair, yeah, I colored it, and I've admitted that on prior videos. Man, I color my hair, so what? And I do it sometimes, but I've decided not to do it. Hold on, man, it's hot as hell. Let me hit that sunroof. I decided not to do it because, I mean, putting that stuff in your hair all the time can't be good. Maybe when I go on my Miami trip soon, I'll color it, because I mean, I'm only 37, man. So I shouldn't be, to me, I shouldn't be having no gray hairs, but I guess it's better than losing my hair, which that's not gonna happen, because at this age, if I ain't lost it now, it ain't going nowhere. So I know a few people would be happy to have those issues, rather have gray hairs than losing their hair. So I'm one of the fortunate ones. So I'm gonna just take the cards that was dealt to me and deal with it. And the cards that was dealt to me were gray cards. So I'll take that over a bald card any day of the week. No baldness over here. But yeah, so I let my gray hairs grow out of my hair. They sporadic. I got a lot on this side, a few over here. Not so much at the top or the back, but I mean, it ain't that bad. But it's a personal thing, and I'd rather have black hair than gray hair. But at this point, I don't even care no more, man. So yeah, that's about it. Y'all stay tuned for more videos. My hair should be growing back pretty soon. Then I'll show y'all my fork updates. But other than that, y'all ain't seeing this plug, man. All right. So I get at y'all in another video. Y'all stay safe out here, and I get at you. I'm out.